So this is just a very basic recipe. There's a more detailed recipe on my website for a seed starting mix that we use to start seeds indoors. And it's equal parts a good compost that's finely ground. Simon, watch out for her hands. Okay? Just use your hands right now, please. Hands only. Simon. So equal parts a good compost. I like Daddy Pete's mushroom compost because it's super fine, and mushroom compost is just what's left over from mushroom farming. It's not vegan. Mushrooms are grown in cow manure generally. And so then the rest of it is called coconut coir, and that is what...
Cow manure is cow poop.
Yep, that's right.
Cow manure is cow poop.
Yes.
It's good for your garden.
It is, but you have to let it age and break down, right?
This is cow poop inside. Oh, yeah. And we can pour it into here so it can mix up.
That's right.
And then it'll turn into compost.
So the coconut coir is a great product, and I've linked to it in my seed starting blog post from 3 years ago. So you can check that out.
Break it down.
They help, yes, they help break things down. So now we're just mixing it by hand. This is a great sensory activity for children and adults. And they're kind of just double checking to make sure there aren't any chunky pieces, because those would get stuck in the seed starting equipment.